Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. So the other day I told you guys that I don't really like doing like cleaning clothes, like laundry. Laundry is the thing I do not like doing, guys. I remember in the village my mom always asks me, V, try your best, learn how to wash clothes, blah 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 blah. Like I can wash my like 2 clothes, but not so many of them. So the other day I was just seated here and I told myself, why am I being so hard on myself? Why am I being so hard on myself? This life is very short. Live it the way you want. Live it the way you want. So I called someone here in the building and told him, the maintenance man, and I told him to get me someone to clean my house, to clean everything in the house. And guess what? I've realized it's way cheaper having someone clean your house than me clean my house every now and then. Guys, my house looks sparkling clean. So this lady came. Oh my god, you guys, my rubber shoes, I never cleaned them like this. I never. They are so clean. Oh my goodness. Oh, I've been so wasting myself. Now the one thing she did is hang some of my clothes on the rooftop. I've never been to the rooftop ever since I came to this house, so we are going to go up there, bring those clothes, and then so now we're going to make lunch. Mimi niko nakula saa hii. Oh guys, I'm so hungry. Let me see, there's something here. I'm so hungry. I decided I'm not even going to like put my clothes together, so they're just here. I'll do it later. So I decided to make myself lunch. So I did white rice and beans. Looks yummy. So I'm making tea and I'll have it with the lunch that remained yesterday. That will be my breakfast today, and then we see what next. I'm going to call my friend to know what he's doing today. Maybe we can go have lunch together if he's up to it anyway. Let's call him. Maybe he's going to church, but let's call him. Should I do chocolate or tea? I think we should do tea or chocolate. let's just do chocolate. Chocolate it is. Chocolate it is.
But hey, that's okay. 'Cause I'm still here looking tasty. And I'm wiser, yeah, I'll take it. I'm gonna celebrate, celebrate, celebrate. Ooh, celebrate. Ooh, every day.
Good morning, guys. It's Monday morning. You guys, I haven't left this house since Friday. I got here on Friday and I haven't left. I was supposed to leave on Saturday, go pick my sister's phone from the city, but I just didn't go out. And now it's raining. It's been raining. Like, I woke up and found it raining and I was like, there's nowhere I'm going. So I'm gonna wait for it a little bit while I'm watching Netflix. So today, you guys, we are going to the office. From the office, just doing little things here and there. I'm meeting a friend of mine for lunch and also to discuss some of the things here and there, work-related stuff. So that's what I'll be doing today. And he's buying me lunch and dinner to make up for the times he's messed me up. He's literally messed me up like twice, thrice, 4 times, I can't remember. So we were supposed to meet yesterday, but who am I? I just couldn't get out of the house. So we pushed our meeting to today. I'm cuddled up here like I'm not supposed to be in the office. I'm telling you guys, let me tell you what I meet is. It's 8:11. It's 8:11, you guys. It's 8:11. And I'm seated here like I'm the boss. I'm the boss. I've already made it in life. I'm shocked. You don't know I'm mad. I'm very mad.
I'm not even knowing that you are mad.
Hey guys, so today has been a really, really busy day. Today is Monday. Mondays are usually the busiest days. So the thing is, I was supposed to meet a friend of mine for lunch, but I couldn't because I was so busy. So we came here to Art Cafe because this is on our way to where I live. So this is KFC here. We have KFC there, and we have Art Cafe over there. That is Art Cafe. So those who know me know I love Art Cafe. I also love KFC, yes, but Art Cafe, I love it because of the ambience and blah 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 blah. So we are going to Art Cafe rooftop.
Every day is a battle, and your life feels so cold. And I'm inside your mind, you're mine. Feel what to be sometimes.
It's another day. It's Tuesday. Yesterday was amazing. I spent the whole day in the office. It rained most of the day yesterday. Later in the evening, my friend and I went for dinner. Remember, in this video, I think I've mentioned that I have someone who's now cleaning my house. I don't know if it's visible anyway, but they are kind of dirty. So I asked her to come today, clean those ones, make everything sparkling clean. Like, I'm back home and my house is clean. As I told you in the morning, the lady who cleans was going to come today, and let me show you guys. So this is how it's looking. She cleaned my window covers, we call them like that. The door one is not there. Kitchen is sparkling clean, you guys. Like, she cleaned everything here. Is this tea? Oh my god, she made a lot of tea. So she cleaned here. Let's see. Okay, so now I need to find my window covers and door covers to cover this place because it looks toilet is clean. Now let's see here. Oh, my bedroom. Hey, guys, see. My bedroom is clean. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, she even cleaned these ones. And oh God, she cleaned them again. So last week when she was here on Friday, she cleaned my pillow covers. I've seen she removed them and cleaned them. Now they're not there. I have to go find them. Now these ones, they are clean. She told me that the curtains were clean and she had arranged them here. So yeah, they are clean. They are clean. I can see them. They are clean. I'm going to put them back. They are clean. Oh my God, this is so nice. It's the next day. And I remember yesterday I was fumbling about how clean my house is. So I'm going to put back my curtains, my window covers, or whatever they are called. That part is done, you guys. Looks nice, looks clean, smells fresh. So now we are going to end this video right here. I'm going to shower, get ready, go to work, and I'll see you on the next one. The next one will probably be in the village because there's some projects I've been doing there, and I would love for you to see those. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you on the next one.